Hello everybody, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you are one of my amazing returning subscribers, welcome back. Today I'm going to be reviewing Swiss Arabian Layali Rouge. So if you guys want to see this review, go ahead and stay tuned. Now, this has to be one of the most exciting fragrance reviews I have ever done because this is a brand that is kind of new to me. I definitely feel like this brand falls more into the niche category because I feel like not a lot of people know about Swiss Arabian fragrances. I had the pleasure of finding out about these fragrances from the fragrance girlies on TikTok, and I didn't know how many fragrances they had and just all of the beautiful bottles that they have. Their products are literally amazing, and I definitely plan on trying more of them in the future. Before I get into the actual bottle of this fragrance and all of the details, I will say that this is literally the most beautiful and unique fragrance as well as fragrance bottle that I have in my collection currently, and I'm really excited to share this with you guys today. So let me show you guys what the actual box looks like. So that is what the box looks like up close. It is just this beautiful red box with this gorgeous flower on the front of it, and it actually has texture to the box. It's like this fun mixture between matte and satin, and I just love it. It's all over the box, and I think that is just really beautiful. The box is very sturdy and well made, so I was very happy to see that once this came to me. And I did purchase this fragrance from Amazon, so I will have it linked below in the description box so that you guys can pick it up and try it out for yourselves. Now, without further ado, let me go ahead and show you guys what the bottle looks like. So y'all, that is what the bottle looks like up close. And honestly, the way it's showing up on camera literally does it no justice at all. This bottle is just absolutely gorgeous, and it's so well made. Like, it's just beautiful. You could sit this anywhere in your home and just have it as decoration. That's how beautiful it is. Now, aside from my other fragrances in my collection, this is a fragrance oil. It is not a perfume. So the way that this bottle opens is a little bit different, and also the way that you apply it is different. So I'm going to show you guys how you open it and how I apply it on myself. Now, just like any other fragrance, you can apply it to your wrist, and the stick is pretty long, so you can also get behind your ears and also in the folds of your arms. This is my first fragrance that I've ever had with an applicator like this, so it was a little bit different for me at first, but I love it. It's really easy, and this fragrance is so strong that you really don't even need a lot. Like, just a little bit of a dab, you're good to go. You could literally take oil right out of the bottle. You don't have to double dip even, and you would be able to apply it behind your ears, on your wrists, and wherever else with just one little dip. And then you can just stick it back down in your little bottle. So now let's go ahead and get on to the notes of this fragrance. So this is a beautiful, sweet and fruity tropical type scent. The top notes of this fragrance include hibiscus, sandalwood, and coconut. In the middle notes, there's peach and rose. And in the base notes, there's mango, pineapple, papaya, floral notes, and lemon. So I've heard a lot of people describe this fragrance as a beautiful fruit cocktail, and as soon as you put it on, that's exactly what it smells like. It's extremely fruity, but it also has notes that make it more sophisticated. It's not like a sickening fruity type scent, or artificial type fruity scent. It definitely smells like fresh mango and pineapple. It doesn't smell really chemically. And that's one of the things that I really like about this fragrance. And I definitely look forward to trying more of the Swiss Arabian fragrances. This brand is based out of Dubai. And I definitely feel like the craftsmanship of fragrances that are made there are just better for some reason, and I'm excited to try more of them. The packaging alone is just something that I have never seen before and something that I really love. This scent is really fruity, but I feel like it can also work in the winter and fall months as like a nighttime dinner scent. It almost smells a little bit like Versace Bright Crystal, just a little bit. And I feel like that type of element in this fragrance is what makes it more mature and not just like a fruit bowl. Like, you definitely smell the fruit, but it's like a classy, sophisticated type of fruit and almost like a natural type of fruit scent as well. And this bottle is just so pretty. If you're trying to get a gift for somebody that you really like and you don't really know what they would like, even if they're not into fragrances like that, just seeing this bottle, this is definitely something that anybody would want, just if they're not even going to wear the fragrance, as just decoration in their home, because it is just that beautiful. So as I mentioned previously, I did purchase this from Amazon, and I will have it linked below. So if you guys want to try it out for yourselves, you can. Also, if any of you guys have tried this fragrance or any of the other Swiss Arabian fragrances, let me know what you guys think of them and if there are any others that I should try next. So yeah, I hope that all of you guys really enjoyed my review of Swiss Arabian Layali Rouge, and I hope to see all of you guys next time. Bye.